Hello, just 1 minute intro. I am Gopinath. Actually, you are going to hear rest of the video through an AI voice. Due to time constraint, I create this in AI format with less slides instead of more animations. But the research and the goal behind this video are 100% sure. So please don't skip any part of the video. I create this content to ensure it supports someone in need of job. And if you find this useful, the best way to support me is by watching the full video, hitting the subscription, and please turn on the bell notification also. Thanks for your continuous support and all the very best. Thank you.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a deep dive analysis of a high-level technical role based in Dubai. This isn't just a standard job reading. We are going to deconstruct the Senior Security Architecture Review Engineer position at Dicetek LLC. This role requires 7 to 12 years of experience, so we are talking about a mid to senior level career move. If you are currently a security analyst, a network engineer, or a cloud architect looking to specialize, this is the breakdown you need. Let's look at the logistics first. The role is based in Dubai, UAE. The education requirement is a master's in computer application or engineering. They are open to any nationality and any gender. The key here is the experience and the technical depth. Section 1, Decoding the job title. What does a security architecture review engineer actually do? Many people confuse this with a standard security analyst role. It is different. You are not just monitoring logs. You are the reviewer. You are the gatekeeper. The job description explicitly mentions evaluate, design, and enhance secure architectures. This means you are looking at blueprints, whether they are network diagrams, cloud formations, or OT systems, and finding the cracks before the hackers do. You are guiding the engineering teams towards secure by design implementations. Section 2, the core responsibilities, the technical breakdown. Let's move to the key responsibilities section of the JD. I want to spend some time here because this is where your interview questions will come from. First point, conduct comprehensive reviews of IT, OT, cloud, and hybrid system architectures. The keyword here is OT, operational technology. This is huge in the UAE region, especially with infrastructure and energy sectors. If you only know IT, servers/laptops, you need to study up on OT/ICS. This involves industrial control systems where security affects physical safety, not just data. Second point, threat modeling. The JD specifically lists Stride, Pasta, and Lindun. Stride, spoofing, tampering, repudiation, information disclosure, denial of service, elevation of privilege. You need to know how to apply this to a software feature. Pasta, process for attack simulation and threat analysis. This is risk-centric. Lindun, this focuses on privacy threats. Advice, if you haven't used Lindun before, read the white paper on it before applying. Dropping this knowledge in the interview will set you apart. Section 3, Essential Frameworks and Compliance. They listed specific frameworks, NIST CSF, ISO 27001, CIS controls, and IEC 62443. IEC 62443 is the gold standard for industrial automation and control systems. If you are coming from a banking background, you might know ISO 27001 well, but IEC 62443 might be new to you. You need to demonstrate that you can take a zero-trust implementation and map it to these standards. How does your segmentation strategy align with NIST? That is the kind of question you will face. Section 4, the must-have skills. Let's look at the strong expertise required section. Network security, firewalls, NAC, VPN, load balancers. This is foundational. You need to understand how traffic flows. Cloud security, AWS, Azure, GCP. Note that they want architecture experience here, not just administration. Do you understand AWS security groups versus NACLs? Do you understand Azure policy? IAM/PAM, Identity Access Management and Privileged Access Management. In a senior architecture role, you are designing how people log in, not just creating users. Section 5, Soft Skills and Collaboration. The JD mentions collaboration and support and documentation and governance. They specifically mention the SARB, Security Architecture Review Board. This implies you will be presenting your findings to a board of stakeholders. You need to be able to look at a diagram, find a flaw, write a report, and then stand in front of a room of executive and explain why they can't launch that product yet. Communication is listed as a key competency. You must be able to translate cross-site scripting vulnerability into business risk. Section 6, Resume Building Strategy for this role. If you are applying for this, your resume cannot be generic. Headline, change your headline to match the intent. Senior Security Engineer specializing in Zero Trust and Cloud Architecture. Tools section, explicitly list Stride and Pasta. Don't just say threat modeling. Project highlight, include a bullet point like, conducted architecture review for a hybrid cloud environment, reducing potential attack surface by 40% using NIST CSF framework. Section 7, Certification Roadmap. They listed preferred certifications, CISSP, CCSP, SABSA, TOGAF, GICSP. CISSP, they want this within 1 year of hire. If you have it now, you are ahead of the pack. SABSA/TOGAF, these are pure architecture certifications. They teach you how to think in enterprise layers. GICSP, this is the Global Industrial Cybersecurity Professional. This confirms the OT focus we discussed earlier. Conclusion and next steps. This is a robust role with Dicetek LLC in Dubai. It offers a chance to work on high-level architecture across IT and OT domains. If you feel you have the 7 to 12 years of experience but need help tailoring your CV to highlight those OT skills or threat modeling frameworks, or if you need help understanding the application process, please reach out. For any details about channel support or resume making, please reach me on my WhatsApp, +968 7105 3824. The job link is added in the description below. Good luck with your application.